Where are they?
Inside the zoo. They're all here. It's not just the two of you, is it?
What do you mean, just?
It's not just a pack, okay? There's an alpha and a banshee. They're all here.
I don't see all of them.
I don't see anyone.
I saw Theo and Liam bringing a car full of food and supplies right here. There were at least 6 sleeping bags, okay? They're here. They're all here.
It's just Nolan and 2 other guys. This isn't gonna work.
Where's the backup? Shouldn't there be like 20 of them?
I mean, they only saw us, and they're not gonna believe Nolan.
Okay. Then they have to believe us. Isn't that right?
Why are you yelling?
You got a problem? Oh, that's right. You always have a problem.
What the hell are you doing?
Shut up! Hey, you see that, Scott? Little beta can't even take a punch. What do you think, Malia?
Hey, over there.
Do you think you can take me?
Okay, I get it. But did you actually have to punch me?
Told you they're here.
You sure that's all of them?
See what I mean, Scott? He's only good in a fight when he's angry. So let's see just how angry he gets.